News from Hyderabad, where an 8th class student has gone missing for the last 48 hours. He was allegedly beaten by his maths teacher at school, after which he went missing, and his anxious parents have filed a complaint with the Hyderabad police. Meanwhile, the State Committee for Protection of Child Rights has decided to take action against the school.
Krishna Rao and Rama Devi in Hyderabad are anxious parents, worried about their 13-year-old son. They last saw him at 4 p.m. on Monday as he left for his tuition class. They claim that their son's friends have told them that the class 8 student was beaten severely by his maths teacher at school that day for making mistakes in the test.
कॉपी बोला तो चोर है ना क्लास में, हाई क्लास स्टूडेंट में चोर बोला तो फीलिंग नहीं आता ना, ये फीलिंग करके ये हमारे सब लोग में मैं अच्छा स्टूडेंट का ये बोल दिया, बैड नेम आ रहा ना, बोले के इमोशन आए के ये बाहर किधर गया था हमारे को नहीं मालूम है.
While parents have filed a complaint about their missing son with the police, the school denies having beaten the child.
The boys think that if the parent is coming to the school, that sir will discuss. The parent is scolding to me. That thinking, the boy is thinking like that. In our view, the teacher is not beaten. Actually, the teacher is not beaten. The teacher is scolding the children.
With two contradicting versions, the police has decided to launch a search operation to first trace the child. So the action against the school or the teacher will finally depend on the victim's statement once found.
एक टीम ऑलरेडी भेजे हम इंक्वायरी के लिए और दो टीम अब भेज रहा हूँ इंक्वायरी के लिए. जरा उन बच्चे आने के बाद उनका स्टेटमेंट लेके वो टीचर्स का कुछ क्या करे उन बच्चे बोलने के बाद एक्शन लेते हैं.
The State Commission for Protection of Child Rights is also taking cognizance of the case.
Police neglected because he is a child, and we instructed the police to register case immediately, and we have also directed the police bosses to trace the buyer first. That is our first priority. Action will be serious if something happens to the child, but at present only Juvenile Justice Act 23 and 24 will apply. Under that act, the police has have booked the case.
The incident only exposes how many teachers derive power from instilling fear in their students through physical or verbal assaults, something many sensitive children are unable to bear. With Pratibha Raman in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
We do hope that that kid is found soon.